have no idea where to put the switch, and I have no idea where to put the LEDs. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And I'm currently on my way to an electronics store. I want to try and get some LEDs for the Mark II and do a shift light. So, I mean, I could have just bought a, like, you know, what you expect to see out of a shift light, but I don't want the car to look like nicer. I'm trying to keep the interior looking fairly stock. So if I can get some LEDs and hide it in place and just have it work, that would be first price. I'll see what they've got. Hopefully they've got a nice solution for me. Okay, so I'm at Yebo. I'm just gonna go in. Hopefully they've got some cool stuff. Let's hope for the best. I'm on my way to the workshop now. So I got 5 LEDs and a switch, like a toggle switch for like a high and low boost setting. I have no idea where to put the switch, and I have no idea where to put the LEDs. Ideally, it would be great to have, you can't really see it, but basically have those 5 LEDs just below like the indicator and like battery warning and blah blah blah. Have those LEDs in there. That would be epic, but I don't really want to open up the cluster. Yeah, that's just complicated. So I have no idea where else to put it. Genuinely no idea. So we'll see what we can come up with. The problem is I'm probably not going to be able to see much during the day. We'll see. It would have been nice to have like a sort of LED strip, like a short one, and then just like stick it up somewhere, but yeah, they didn't have anything like that. Oh, it's pumping here today. What's happening? Guys are here in full force. Okay, so this is the plan. Andrew was like, let's just use the blanks.
We need to make these lights do something.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Only seems appropriate.
And this is the LEDs that was in, like, showing these warning lights. So we're just going to put 2 LEDs in here, and then that will flash red. And then this is the switch that I got for high and low boost, and we're just going to put it in another blank. It's going to be a bit far to reach, but that will be the starting point. Then at least I have high and low, and then I can always improve on it from there. Woo! Okay, let's use Matthew's car to test. But this is on. It's not bad. I'm causing it to short here. Yeah, so it's during the day, and that's fairly bright. At night, it should do the job. Okay, so Andrew is getting ready to tackle this. So I'm going to pop them in there. I am so amped about this. This is something I've been wanting for a while. Okay, so the lights and the switches are in place. Okay, so Andrew's doing a test. That's my shift light. That's quite fancy.
Fancy.
That should be fairly bright, like at night.
Yeah, well, let's do this test quickly. Sorry, I was taking off your belt.
That's a nice OEM Plus upgrade.
Definitely.
Okay, I'm going to test. Yep, I feel the click. Nothing. Okay, so we now have, yep, I hear the click. So can now switch the N75 off in the car and no longer have to get out, unplug that thing to get low boost. I just basically just added all the boost in first and second. So just set everything to 100% now, so I can do a proper test and see what high boost and low boost feels like. I've set my shift light to 7,000 in first and second gear, and then because the car revs out to 7.2, and then I set it to 6.5 in third, fourth and fifth. So the problem is on pump fuel the car doesn't rev out because it just, there's no timing on top in third and fourth. It just feels really dead. So I set it to 6.5, which the nice thing is with this ECU I can set different rev limits for different gears, which is awesome. So I test that out, see how that works. I'm not sure if that's high boost. That didn't feel like high boost. Oh, there's a camera here. Oh, there you're hiding. Okay, that's low boost. So that is high boost. Even check for my shift light. So many new things to get used to. I see that. I think my third gear synchro is tired because that's why I'm struggling with third gear. Synchro is not happy. Yeah, this box needs to get sorted out. So I just need to order the clutch and then have the box checked out. Low boost is not bad. I'm I should do more of a run on low boost, but I have no fuel in the car, so I think I'm just gonna call it there. But I'm really happy with that. I could actually see the shift light, and my boost switch works. Guys, if you need any wiring done, Andrew is your man. He is really good, and he comes out. So I'll add his details down in the video description if you need it. This is low boost. I am really chuffed with our progress today. Even though it's like 2 little things, those things have been on my to-do list for a really long time. So the high and low boost switch, essentially what I'm going to do is a Kilani, leave the line on low boost first, second. If it starts to grip up in second, I will switch to high boost. If I'm spinning all the way through second on low boost, I'll switch to high boost in third. So I'll see how that affects my times. I'm quite sure that it will make a difference. Just to have a little more control. The boost by gear is amazing, but I just haven't been able to get it dialed in correctly. So it's either too much power or too little power. So basically just using high and low boost will just give me a little bit more control, so I can just feel what the track is like and switch the power as I need it. So right now the location's not great. Like I have to basically shift second and then reach for it and switch it. So the plan going forward is to try and get a switch behind the steering wheel, so I can switch it like that, just so that it's easier. But I need to look online to see what sort of switches I can get. Something nice. I'm going to insert the picture here. I saw one that looks quite cool, so I'm going to add that, and I'm going to try and find something very similar to that, which would be first prize. And then the shift light is awesome. Like I was not expecting to put it there. I was going to put it in the cluster somewhere, but Andrew was like, let's just use what we've already got. So it just looks like OEM, which I love. So yeah, that's it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.